Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. A settlement with the SEC, the disclosure of financial data, or the breach of a technical analysis critical point are three major developments involving Ripple XRP and the cooperation we discussed yesterday with Standard Custody. Listen up, because I cover it all in this video. Alright, let's begin. Bitcoin is once again going on a wild ride. At 2.58 on Ledger 6, XRP has finally broken the 53-cent threshold, and with a volume of $1.172 billion, it is significant that we are moving towards a $2 trillion market value. Our market valuation is steadily approaching that $30 billion mark, which is an increase of approximately $200 million from where we were a week ago. Where is XRP at the moment? Where is Ripple at the moment? This is an excellent description that Brad Garlinghouse has provided. The bottom line is that Standard Custody will allow us to enhance our current product offering, discover new goods and use cases, and do it all while staying fully compliant. It was yesterday that we discussed it. I think you would really enjoy seeing that video if you haven't already. Present day, with the help of the Central Bank of Ireland's VSP registration and the approximately 40 US money transmitter licenses, Ripple has established itself as a legitimate financial institution. Counting them all. Keep in mind that, despite widespread belief to the contrary, there is still a very long way to go before Ripple is fully prepared for the bull market that is yet to come. It does, however, paint a picture of Ripple's overarching goals, which include maintaining strong relationships with financial institutions and regulators while simultaneously guaranteeing compliance. In my opinion, that is a crucial aspect of a 40 US money transmitting license, particularly with regard to their appearance. And most importantly, the capabilities that Ripple and XRPL are able to achieve. When you consider everything that's going on, I think these are the most important basics. Also, and most crucially, the future. Additionally, there's more to come with Ripple and the XRP coin. Thus, the question of whether or not the SEC will provide us a settlement is currently being debated. We have lately discussed Dropbox's situation in relation to the SEC complaint. In the end, they're attempting to deflect blame by denying any wrongdoing. The question is, will we be able to access these financial records? Those involved may fail to realize that settlement talks are private and protected by law. For that reason, nothing indicates a colony until one materializes out of nowhere. We will not acquire the information we need in the end, and that is the objective. A settlement may be mentioned if you listen closely. Unfortunately, that won't be the case. Nevertheless, we can state that we are of the belief that these matters are being discussed and resolved behind closed doors. Plus, the market is about to get their hands on them. This, in my opinion, might play a pivotal role. After all, there are a plethora of cases involving XRP, including the ongoing one involving Coinbase. Okay, that's fine, you could think. Is anything else happening? Now we're getting into some very intriguing territory. When it comes to establishing trust, it is especially crucial that Ripple emphasizes compliance with normal custody. This price change is a result of the larger, expanding ecosystem surrounding Ripple, which includes money transmitter licenses, which improve the regulatory portfolio, and custodial solution providers, both of which play a vital role. Not to mention, on the 4-hour chart, 53.79 represents a break over the 200 exponential moving average, aligned with the rest of the market by 2.5%. The daily chart won't be available for some time, but the shorter timeframes are much more positive than they have been recently for XRP. Similarly, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is still rising upwards, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, is pleasing to the eye. Can you tell me what this means? Before a possible breakout to the upside, we may observe a retest of this exponential moving average around approximately 5,355. Given that Bitcoin might retest 52,000, I believe that's likely the direction we're aiming to take the market in. Ripple, in my opinion, is doing really well right now. If you boil it down to the essentials, Ripple is currently involved with a number of high-profile partners who are all committed to financial regulation and construction. When it comes to liquidity, supporting the XRP ledger, and facilitating cross-border financial institution transactions, they too have significant partners. At last, there has been some upward price movement, and there is a lot of activity on the SEC lawsuit at the moment. It seems like everything is uncertain. When it comes to XRP, there are a lot of places to spin. However, all of a sudden, we will be able to seize those plates, and I predict a big move in XRP. If you share my prediction, please hit the like button. If you would like to stay abreast of all the latest happenings in the cryptocurrency world, simply subscribe and turn on the bell. See you soon, bye.